Duplicating a project in Asana allows you to create a copy of an existing project, including tasks, sections, and settings. Here's how to duplicate a project. Access Asana. Log into your Asana account and navigate to the project you want to duplicate. Open Project Options. Click on the project to open its details. Look for the Project Options menu, typically represented by 3 dots located in the top right corner of the project header, or within the Project Details view. Duplicate Project. In the Options menu, select Duplicate Project or a similar option. Asana will prompt you to confirm duplicating the project. Configure duplicate options. Asana will provide options to configure the duplication process. You can choose to duplicate tasks only, tasks and comments, or include project followers. Confirm duplication. Once you've configured the duplication settings, confirm by clicking Duplicate or a similar button. Asana will create a duplicate of the project and its contents. Review and adjust. After duplication, review the duplicated project to ensure everything copied correctly. Adjust product details, due dates, and assignees as needed for the new project.